October is a transitional month in Louisiana. We're moving away from the torrid heat of summer to the milder weather conditions of fall. But October can still be warm. We can hit temperatures in the 80s very easy. Now in October, we begin to plant cool season bedding plants. These are the bedding plants that love chilly temperatures, tolerate freezes during winter, and bloom from the fall all the way into the spring for us. They're well worth planting this time of the year. But here in early October, you have to choose those that are more heat tolerant. I've got some great choices for you here. Now later on in October and in November, you can plant all the cool season bedding plants once it gets reliably cool. But for right now, think about planting Snapdragons. They tolerate the heat quite well. They bloom beautifully this time of the year through the fall. They're dwarf types that stay under a foot, and taller types that are great for cutting as well. So many colors in Snapdragons, and a really diverse group of plants with many different heights as well. And these bloom gorgeous in the spring. The Dianthus, there are many kinds of Dianthus. This is a little short growing bedding Dianthus, but there are types that get much taller. Choose these Dianthuses. They're very hardy. They bloom through the fall, the winter, and into the spring, and a really great choice for your cool season gardens. Alyssum has great heat tolerance as well. So for early October, you can plant Alyssum, a low growing plant that's great for the front of flower beds, draping over the sides of containers, gorgeous honey-like fragrance as well. And then finally, Petunias. The flower power of Petunias is remarkable, and they are really a great plant. Hardy down to around 20 degrees. They're quite reliable in South Louisiana for putting out in the fall and blooming all the way till spring. So think about beginning to add some cool season bedding plants to your gardens now for gorgeous color through our long cool season. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU Ag Center.